The mailman is coming. Can you hear him in the wind? The mailman is coming, and my excitement is far from thin. The mailman is coming, bringing mail for all to enjoy. The mailman is coming with goodies for all girls and boys. Like a Santa Claus without a cause, he works hard and endless without pause. He don't need no elves, he ain't bringing no toys. But I'm not gonna sleep a wink tonight because the mailman is coming, and I am not at home. The mailman is coming, I'm at camp where I am free to roam. The mailman is coming, just musicians and music and the sun above. The mailman is coming, and he's fixing to bring me some love. No junk mail, no ads, no credit card bills, no commercial garbage to make me ill. My mailbox is tired and knows the drill. My recycling bin has no more space to fill. But not here when I'm at summer camp. Only thing I'm going down is my foot to tap to the beat of the rhythm and the soul of the track. But music isn't the best part of this summer camp. Oh no. The mailman is coming, just when you thought life couldn't get any better. The mailman is coming with cards and boxes and gifts and letters. The mailman is coming, he's gonna have something from my family, I hope. The mailman is coming, reminded me that just because I'm at camp doesn't mean I'm not at home.